Hey guys, this is Jagra here at JTech, and we're going to show you how to do an alignment on this Hoffman machine. So, the first thing we're going to do is we're actually looking at our screen, and you can go in and you can manually input the video, or if you have a neat little tool, you can actually go and you can scan the VIN for the vehicle. So, let's get scanning. Right, you're going to open the inside of the door and scan your piece. So we've automatically come in, and it's actually got everything that you need to know for the vehicle. It's going to show you your caster, your camber, your toe. It's going to give you all the dimensions and everything. So what you're going to do is you're going to run through. You're going to put
After you put your heads on,
this, the head, awesome little thing. We're going to put those, and they're actually going to go on your vehicle. And now I've already set up the back one. So what it is these sensors show, and then you've got up on the very top the alignment rack. It's taking that and it's showing on the sensor. That way it actually shows on the screen. That way you can see what you're doing. So since we've already set up the back, which you're already going to start with, obviously it's showing that you have. Now, since I've already set this up, I've already pulled the vehicle on. I have checked the air pressure and the tires. I have made sure that there are no broken components or anything like that. And you want to make sure that if you're trying to do alignment on a vehicle, you don't want anything that's going to be broken, tie rod ends, anything like that. That way you can do the alignment properly. So, car's in neutral, and you keep going along. These machines are actually pretty simple, and they help you run through the process. So you can go through, and then your next process is going to be installing brake pedal depressor and ensure that the turntable pins have been removed. Loosen rear slip plates, because you're going to start with the back. So we've already taken our pins, we've removed them from the hole. That way when you go to do your caster slip, you're going to test it and you're going to want to be able to move around this plate. So going to go back through. It's going to want you to position the vehicle. You're going to go through the next processes of this. But you're running through the vehicle. You're going to make sure you've got everything set up properly. You're going to make sure that you follow the instructions on the screen. It's going to give you all, and then it will pop up with the screens and it will give you the dimensions and show you which directions that your alignment is actually on or off. What I mean by that is you're going to test, and it's going to show you your caster, your camber, your toe, things such as that. On this vehicle, there is not actual camber, so you can't actually do that. But you can go through and do the alignment process without it. Every vehicle is different. So we've got this whole side already set up. It's going to take your measurements. It's going to tell you It's going to tell you which side. It's going to tell you whether the tires are towed in or out. It's going to go through the screens. It's going to show you everything that you need to know, so you know how to adjust the tie rods and whether you're positive or negative, whether you're zero, whether you're towed in or towed out. And that way you can go through and you can correct anything that needs to be fixed. So, just a brief explanation. This is how you do an alignment on the machine. Thanks.